Today, we invite the bravest among you to encounter the mightiest theropod of 75 million years ago, the Velociraptor.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Raptor Encounter. My name's Andy. I'm a dinosaur handler here at Jurassic World. This kind of training is an integral part of our Velociraptor program. It allows us to not only study the dinosaurs, but also their behavior and proximity to humans. Today, we're going to be using our favorite raptor in the entire park by the name of Blue because of her empathy toward guests. It's a little feistier than normal. That should be fine. It's going to be the chance of a lifetime, all right? Don't get me wrong. But we are dealing with a wild animal back here. So, no sudden movements. And for your safety, please do not approach the raptor. As long as you guys follow some very important safety rules, which I will continue to go over and over throughout this exercise, we are all going to be perfectly safe. That being said, you guys are in great hands. There's nothing to worry about. I've been doing this a long time. I have everything under control. She is so excited to get out here and meet everybody. This is going to be fantastic. Vetex, you ready? Volunteers, are we ready? Not as much as you were a second ago. Let's find out why. Open the gates. Eyes on me. Eyes on me. Oh! Eyes on me. Hey! That's more like it. Okay, all right. Calm down. And we're moving. Good. Oh! Good job, girl. She's being a little disobedient, but she seems to be responding to voice commands mid-movement, so we should be fine. Let's have our first volunteers. You guys read the fine print, the waivers you signed, yeah? I have to ask because you got a dinosaur hanging from your hip. You know what carnivores eat? Probably better we don't know. I can see that sweat dripping from your brow. You're either very nervous or hot. There's a reason to be very nervous. Actually, there are 84 reasons to be nervous. She seems a little cantankerous at the moment. So we definitely want to let her know that we're not the threat. As she looks out here, she sees all these human beings staring back at her. She starts to get nervous. She's got sisters back there she's got to protect. Same as you guys. You're a family, you protect each other. You guys are a family, you protect each other. You wearing a T-Rex shirt into this area? You know what T-Rexes eat, right? I mean, besides anything they want. The Velociraptors, yeah. So that is a fairly large, dangerous animal, and she has come up to investigate. Hey! I am watching out for your best interests. She seems very interested in you guys. Do not make any sudden movements. She is hunting something. But it doesn't seem to be you, which is fantastic. Make your way to safety right through those chains. Hi, welcome to Nublar. Hey! You brought one piece of beef jerky, but you get. That is just about the most dangerous thing I have ever seen in my life. And now you're eating it in front of her. You offered it to her, she went to take it, she moved back, and you're gonna eat it right in front of her? Just when I thought it couldn't get any more dangerous. Here's the deal. It's not as dangerous for you as it is for all of you. And now she's gonna think that she's got food coming to her. Corn dogs, beef jerky, whatever these drinks are. The carnivores are meat eaters. And it's a good thing that we fed her before we brought her out here. Otherwise, she wouldn't have moved as slow. But she eats about 350 pounds of food every single day. And you dare to offer her just one piece. She's gonna take the whole bag. It's not like she doesn't need to see it. She smells it. Look at this upturned snout right here. That is more productive than our noses. Our noses point down. She's got that upturned snout. It allows her to smell better than we do. She smells better than some of us, I know that for sure. Hi, welcome to Nublar. What's in there, Blue? What do they got in there? You ever seen those? Those are tiki drinks. Boom. Alright. Who's faster, Puma or Raptor? These animals have been clocked at almost 40 miles an hour. Not in this area. Just in case. Nothing's gonna go wrong. We got some men. They can't dig their claws as easily into the earth. They can't dig their claws into you, so you might want to take just a step forward. There you go. I still got all my limbs. There's so much red. There's so much red. You guys are all wearing so much red. Red is the color of raw meat. She seems like she's not in the mood for it right now. Hi, welcome. My name's Andy. I'm one of the handlers here. If you guys have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. Good questions. Questions like, are you out of your mind? Why are you doing this? I thought dinosaurs were extinct. Back in 1984, our founder brought these animals back to life, y'all. So you're gonna need to work on this red and blue right here. Now, obviously, she's a 3-year-old. She's a juvenile. She is protecting her environment. She's protecting her territory. Watch out! See how she's moving slower? She's focusing all of her energy on her senses. She's trying to figure out if there is food in this area and how she's going to get it. The question is it you? Because here's the deal, the raptors are smart. Just because she's snapping at you doesn't mean she's going after you. That's how she takes other prey unaware. Because that prey stares at Blue. She's showy, she's loud, she's dangerous. And all of a sudden, when you are staring at Blue, Charlie, Delta, and Echo flank you from the sides. They are brilliant, brilliant hunters. Now don't worry, she's behind.